Racing out of the gray lane, representing section 144, Mike Christensen, Vendetta. These two locked in, ready to face off. Let's go green. Final matchup of round number 1. First, racing out of the red lane, representing section 106, Chip Cutler, Avenger. And his opponent, racing out of the gray lane, representing section 138, Bari Musauer, Zombie. Looks like Zombie is set, and now Avenger on the line. Remember, the fastest times from last week in El Paso, Texas, haven't given an automatic bind. That means Son of a Digger, Great Digger, Bakugan, Dragonoid, and Thunder Aurus have been patiently awaiting their opponents. And now you see round 2 is set as Velociraptor took down Monster Mutt. Soldier Fortune went over Megalodon. El Toro Loco in a photo finish defeats Vendetta, and more of the same as Avenger able to take down Zombie. Round 2 of JCB Racing is locked in.
What an incredible round 1 of the JCB Racing competition. So many close calls, like John just said, but now the fastest 4 have advanced on into round 2. They will be paired up and matched with 4 additional drivers who have received that automatic buy from 2 weekends ago in El Paso.